At Stark and Stark, when we handle a wrongful death claim, first we want to understand what happened, and ultimately we want to seek justice for the family and their loved ones. When you call us about a wrongful death claim, we have to thoroughly investigate it to understand what happened. Once we understand what happened, we will advise you what the best course of action is. Is it something we should take to trial? Is it something we should try to resolve before trial? We prepare as if we're going to trial, but if somewhere along the way we decide it's best to settle, we'll advise you of that also. The first thing we're going to do is meet with you and the family members to understand what happened. At the same time, we'll probably send out accident reconstructionists and investigators to figure out exactly what happened. There's evidence that we want to preserve, critical information that can quite literally disappear if we don't get people out there quickly enough. We will interview the police officers. We'll get the police reports. We'll get the medical records. We will have our accident reconstructionists go out there and take computer measurements so the evidence is preserved. We will also collect witness statements. We will get video surveillance. So much of this is already preserved, but it's important to get that information before it's recorded over. In a wrongful death claim, there's three things we have to prove. We have to prove that there was a duty of care, someone violated that duty, and that violation caused your loved one's death. So when we're trying to calculate a loved one's loss, the damages they suffered, obviously it's almost impossible. But there are some things that we can try to prove. We can prove what their future wages would have been, how much money they would have earned over their lifetime. We can prove what their value was to the family, how they helped support the family, how they provided for the family. Obviously, there's medical bills and expenses that would be included, but the big one is the loss that that person and the family suffered. If you call Stark and Stark, it costs nothing. When you consult with us, we don't charge any money up front, and we will only get a recovery if we're successful in bringing the wrongful death claim on behalf of the family. We work on a contingent fee basis, and that means we only get paid if ultimately we're able to prove our case and seek justice for the family. There's no upfront fees. We'll talk to you, we'll try to figure out what happened, and we'll hire the right people to help us prove the case. In order to contact Stark and Stark, the easiest thing is just go to our website. All the information is there. You can also call us, you can text us 24/7. We're going to be available to take your call. We care about you and your families. We are going to help you seek justice, and we're going to do it in a way that is compassionate and shows support and ultimately gets the right result for you and all your family members.